Hey everyone, I'm Sarah and this is Courageous Color. And today we are going to make military green and sage green watercolors using Artist Loft watercolor. I've started with 2 parts sap green and 1 part lemon yellow. Right now we have a bright green and we're going to go ahead and add some gray to the bright green to make military green. So we have 3 parts Chinese white and 1 part of the lamp black. This gray is looking great. Once this is mixed up, we'll go ahead and add it to the bright green color to make military green. This is mixing up very nicely. So let me get a piece of mixed media paper and show you how the values paint out. This is looking really nice. And now I'm going to use my military green along with 2 equal parts of the Chinese white to make sage green. So I'll try to get an equal part of this military green to match up to these 2 equal parts of Chinese white. So far this is mixing up nicely. It's a little light, so I will grab a little bit more of the military green to darken this. And when you're mixing your paint, you can make it as light or as dark as you feel like you want it. This is starting to look really good, so I'll grab a piece of mixed media paper and show you the different values you can achieve when you add water to your watercolors. So we'll just paint a little gradient here, which is when you start with some thick watercolor paint, and then you add more and more watercolor as you thin the paint to lighten the value. And I'll go ahead and blend this in, and we are done. We have made military green and sage. And I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment if you'd like to, and subscribe to Courageous Color for more color mixing videos. Bye for now. I want to invite you to check out my color mixing book. Here's a quick preview of the basics of color mixing, written and illustrated by me, Sarah Claire. After reading this book, you will know how to identify and define primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, harmonious and contrasting colors, as well as color values. You will learn how to mix secondary colors using primary colors, how to mix tertiary colors using primary and secondary colors, also how to mix or avoid mixing contrasting colors, how to mix various color values using equal parts or percentages, and how to make pastel colors and shadow colors. This book is available as an ebook for just $3.99 and in paperback. Just click on the link at the top of the description and that will take you to the Amazon page where you can read more.